The Neakasa M1 is a new open-top self-cleaning cat litter box that is designed to make cleaning up after your cat easier and more convenient. It features a number of features that make it a great choice for cat owners, including the Neakasa M1 has an automatic self-cleaning system that cleans the litter box every 30 minutes or after each use. This means that you don't have to worry about cleaning the litter box yourself. The Neakasa M1 has an open-top design that is preferred by most cats. It also makes it easy to add litter to the litter box and to check on your cat's litter usage. The Neakasa M1 has a large capacity that can hold up to 11.2 liters of litter. This means that you can go longer between cleanings. The Neakasa M1 is very quiet in operation. This makes it a good choice for use in bedrooms and other living spaces. The Neakasa M1 is very easy to use. Simply plug it in and turn it on. The automatic self-cleaning system will do the rest. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Neakasa M1 open-top self-cleaning cat litter box. Pros: automatic self-cleaning system, open-top design, large capacity, quiet operation, easy to use. Cons: can be expensive. Some users have reported that the automatic self-cleaning system is not always reliable. Some users have reported that the litter box can be difficult to clean. Overall, the Neakasa M1 open-top self-cleaning cat litter box is a great value for the price. It is a convenient and easy-to-use self-cleaning litter box that is perfect for cat owners who are looking for a way to make cleaning up after their cat easier. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.